Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw a capybara. That's right, we're going to draw a cute capybara. This capybara will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the capybara's ears, followed by its face. Next, we will draw a small fruit sitting on top of its head. I chose to draw an orange, but you can draw in a different fruit if you like. What is your favorite fruit? Is it a strawberry or maybe blueberries? Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Now, I'm going to draw in a bubble tea drink because I think it would be so funny to have the capybara drinking bubble tea. Don't you think so? Now, how many pearls should I draw in the bubble tea drink? Let's draw in however many is the same as your age. If you like, you can change up the expression on capybara's face. She can be happy, sad, or even surprised. Doesn't our capybara look so cute already? We are now finished with the outline. Let's start coloring our capybara. I will use my markers to color in the fruit on its head and the bubble tea drink first. Feel free to switch up any of the colors and have fun with your drawing. Next, we are ready to color in our capybara. I'm going to color mine brown. Let's try our best to color within the lines and not leave any white gaps. I don't do a perfect job of this, but that's okay. I think it's more important to enjoy the drawing process and just have fun. Feel free to change up the colors or try using different types of browns. Have fun and choose a combination of different colors that you like. Isn't coloring so much fun? If you want a challenge, you can add on more accessories for your capybara. It can be a colorful hat. Feel free to use a few different colors to add a splash of colors to your capybara's accessories. Doesn't it look fantastic already? It looks so awesome. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as bubbles or a park. I'm going to draw in some grass in the background. It would be nice to draw in a sun in the back as well. Wow, look at our amazing little capybara. You all did a fantastic job. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of capybaras in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of our capybara. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice. So keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.